Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another weekend full of fun and surprises with my good friend Mike. Currently trying to get out of his driveway and it's pretty damn low, so it's like you have to take it at a certain angle or else literally your rear diffuser or even your front bumper is coming off. So he is focusing right now. So today in this video we're in the Huayra, BC. We haven't been in this thing for such a long time, but Mike has done something very special to this car that you're about to hear. Oh my god, this thing is absolutely insane now. Like, it was insane before, but now it's even more insane, and you're about to hear it right now. So we were testing this last night. We did a cold start to see if it was shooting flames, and it did. But it only started shooting flames when it got really warm, which was so cool, like massive flames. We didn't push it a lot though, like really hard. Like we only did like what, like 4,500 RPM, or like 4,000 RPM? Yeah. Or like 5,000 RPM, because it was like super late last night, but it had some
neighbors come home and kill me.
So it had some pretty big crackles too. So we're heading off to Mexico today in this thing. So yeah. The seats in here are super comfortable. If anything, what's really weird is that there's the insertion, there's like this empty area here. So unlike the road, like the regular Huayra and the Roadster, it's like enclosed here. It really helps that Mike is a really good driver, because like with anybody else, like with Danny, I get so scared when they drive fast. But with Mike, it's like I'm just having so much fun. Wow. Is it a little bit louder?
A little bit, but it's not as... It's different than before. I'll show you the video before. It sounds like the Impala. I think it's much louder from the outside.
Yeah. Oh man, like I love the crackles. Before it didn't really do that as much. There we go, going on the freeway. Here comes the tunnel. Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
Oh my god. It was like crackling. it actually is a tad bit louder, but I feel like it's gonna be a lot louder if you're behind the car. Because when we revved it, when Mike revved it in the tunnel, it was like insane. Ooh. Does it feel better?
It feels pretty much the same, and sounds much better than before, obviously.
The interior on this thing is insane though. Yeah. Look at that beautiful. How fast did you go?
55.
No! Yeah, I really hope what you guys are getting is not a lot of wind noise. I mean, the windows are down, but hopefully not. I'm trying to make sure you guys can hear it. It's really hard to hear it from inside here, but did you just press that button? That was so brutal. Oh my god, I love that. How many times have you done that in this car?
It's the first time.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. We found out last time we drove the roadster out.
I love how you shifted by that though.
Yeah.
So it's like just like a manual.
Very mechanical.
Very mechanical. That's what I love about this car, is that they have this. Man, you don't even need music in this car. Nope. Every week every weekend we literally ride in a different car. So the Koenigsegg, the Roadster, and then now the V6. And every week I'm like, oh, this is the one to get, right? Whichever one I'm in. Well, it's like after being in all three, dude, I don't know. I don't know anymore. Man, when you get to this level, it's like, how do you even choose which car to buy, right? It's like, it's impossible. So that's why he just decided to make it easier on himself and get all of them. The matte carbon here too. What is that noise?
I think it's the wing.
Oh, it's a wing. Oh, it's like adjusting. That this is probably, I don't know, for some reason it feels more spacious than the Roadster, and then it feels a lot more comfortable than the Koenigsegg. The Koenigsegg is literally like, it's super tight. This one, it's like you actually have like a good amount of room to kind of like relax. Like, granted, my seat is all the way in the back, but look at Mike's. See, it's not, and he has like a good hand there still to go back. Seats are also really comfortable too. For like a smaller guy myself, this is like perfect. Like I'm 5'7", 5'8", I don't even know. I like to say I'm 5'8", but probably 5'7". I still have like a maybe like good 5 inches on top of my head, right? Something like that much. That was a surprisingly short drive today, but very fast.
Very fast.
Very fast. Short but very fast.
Saw 2 cops already.
I know, so
Not a good sign.
that's not a good sign.
Not a good sign.
You saw 2?
Yeah, just when we turn left,
Oh yeah?
it's just one sheriff, one pass.
No way.
Yes.
Oh,
way.
okay. So that's a 100% a sign saying maybe not today.
Yeah.
Are you gonna rev it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They were huge. It smells so freaking crazy in there. The sound and like how big the flames are. I hope you guys saw that. It was super dark. Dude, it's hard to hear it from inside the car, but when you're outside of it, you can see how big the flames are. I mean, they're not like insanely big, but they're big enough that you can see it, especially if like you're riding behind them. It's gonna look so cool, and it sounds like gunshots. Like we came across the tunnel and then he put in neutral and revved it. You could just hear but louder, and like so awesome. We're just gonna cut it right here. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.